Hello, I'm back. Today, I'm gonna make a sauce, okay? A fruit sauce, and it's called Coulis, okay? I am using a frozen fruit, okay? I will show you how to make Coulis. Here is my frozen fruit, okay? These are strawberries, and then the red, how you say that? Raspberry, the black raspberry, everything's here, okay? It's a mix, okay? Mixed fruits, okay? So we will put it here. It's stained on my phone, okay? So, what we're gonna do next, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, okay? Here, I have here brown sugar, okay? That's lovely. Should be 2 tablespoons, okay? 1 tablespoon, and this is great. 2 tablespoons. And this is great, especially when you are serving ice cream, pancake, or any kind of dessert. And you tap it. It's like syrup, okay? Later I will show you. It will become thickened, okay? But we have to boil it first. So we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of water. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? And we're gonna add, if you don't have a fresh vanilla, okay, the vanilla fudge, okay, then you can use this artificial vanilla flavor to give vanilla flavor, okay? Just add the whole, okay. Then we're gonna put this on the fire, and then we'll wait till the fruit bursts. And then when it bursts, we'll take them out the fire and then let it cool down, okay? And once it cooled down, we put it in a food processor, okay? Then afterwards, we're gonna strain it. Then we're gonna turn on the fire. There you are. Now, what we're gonna do, gonna mix it, okay? Now while we see, we will wait till the fruits burst, okay? And I'm gonna ready my food processor. Or if you have no food processor, you can use a blender, okay? I have your food processor, but we will do it in a blender, okay? Now you see, some of them, they're burst, okay? They already bursted, okay? Okay. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna cool it down, and then put it in a blender. So we will turn off the fire. Very sweet. And then the smells of the vanilla, really. Okay. Now I will turn off the fire and cool it down. Okay. Now, I put the fruits here, okay? It's already cooled down. So we're gonna blender it, okay? Wait. Now, what's next? We're gonna strain it. Okay, I hope you see what I'm doing. There you are. Yeah. Tastes very good. So we're gonna strain it. That's how to make the coulis. It's very easy. You can make this at home when you have visitors, friends coming by, family, or even the weekends. You can make desserts for your husband, children. You can use this as a topping for cakes, ice cream, or pancake. Okay? There are many uses of this. You see? Now, you see? I strained it. And the remaining are inside. That we don't need. I hope you can see there. We will throw that away. We're gonna cover that with a plastic and put it in the fridge for tonight. And tonight I'm gonna make a dessert for my family. This is my homemade coulis. I made this afternoon. So I'm gonna serve ice cream. And that is my strawberry dessert. There. Then I'll just decorate it with I will just decorate it with strawberries. Okay, so that is my dessert, ice cream with coulis. I hope you like my video, and thanks for watching. Mine is without strawberries. Don't like fruits. I will put nuts. That is my dessert for tonight. Thanks for watching.